Here at GreenTech, we hope you're thoroughly enjoying your pureAir product and all of the benefits it brings to your home. Just like with any air handler, it needs to be regularly cleaned and maintained to ensure longevity and peak performance. We'll show you how. First, you need to turn the unit off and disconnect it from the outlet or power source. To effectively clean the intake, use the hose of a vacuum cleaner to remove any loose dust and debris. Remember, it's never advised to use compressed air or blow into the vents of the unit. This can cause restricted airflow and lead to product inefficiency issues down the road. Next, dip a cotton swab into some isopropyl rubbing alcohol and gently use it to clean all of the vents until as much visible contamination has been removed as possible. Once you're satisfied with the result, wipe down the exterior and allow the unit to dry before charging or placing the unit back into the fridge. We recommend that you perform this procedure at least once every 6 months to ensure that your pureAir is giving you the desired results for years to come. As always, thank you for being a valued GreenTech customer. We're so thankful that you choose to keep your home clean with us. For more information, please visit our website at greentechenv.com.